Hi guys, good morning. Today we will start to discuss about geometry. What is geometry? Geo is a Greek word which means earth. Okay. And metry which comes from a Greek word metron which means measurement. Okay. And there are many terms in geometry such as point, line and plane. Okay, plane which is not possible to define. So these three terms point, line and plane are called undefined terms. Undefined terms. Okay. Another is axiom. Axioms are postulates. What is axiom and postulates? Are facts which are taken for granted without proof. Then what is theorem? Okay, these are the terms also. What is theorem? The statements which are proved through logical reasoning, based on axioms. Okay, based on axioms, some axioms. Okay, this is the theorem. So let's talk about what is point. What is point? Point. Suppose this is a whiteboard, okay, and the point is made by a marker. The point is made by a marker, and that should be smooth, and it indicate the particular space, which is denoted as capital letters. Suppose P. This is called point P. Okay. Maybe A, B, C, D. Also, points are denoted by any alphabet, any capital alphabets. Okay. If you join, here is a point, here is a point, here is a point, here is a point. If you join two points, you will get line segment. You will get line segment. Okay. What is line segment? The distance between two points is called line segment. Okay, it's called line segment. Here is a point A, here is a point B. The distance between two points, that is called AB. So which is denoted as AB is a line segment. So it has two end points. This one is one initial point and final point. Okay. So it has two end points. Okay. And it can be measured. Maybe 3 centimeter, 5 centimeters. So a length of AB equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. Then what is ray? What is ray? Also, it is the combination of line segment, also combination of point, rays also combination of point, lines are also combination of points. So here it has only one point, initial point, and no final point. Okay. Suppose a line start from a point, suppose A, and there is no final point, which is indicated, which is denoted as AB. So you can say AB is a ray, like this. It is denoted as AB. Suppose PQ, P, this one Q. It may be written as QP. Okay, it's a ray. It has only one end point. It starts from initial point and there is no end point. Okay, endless line. It's a endless line. It has a starting point but no end point. Understood? and we can't measure it. We can't measure it. And end point also ending side denoted as arrow mark. Arrow mark means endless. Arrow mark means what? Endless. And what is line? What is? We can say AB is a line. AB line. And it has no end points. We can say it's a combination of points and it extends endlessly. It extends endlessly in both direction. In both direction, it has no end point and we can't measure it. We can't measure it, which is denoted as a AB. Okay. Understood? What is line? Okay. Look at here. Suppose AB is a line segment and C is the midpoint of AB. That is called SC equal to BC. SC equal to BC. And AB will be SC plus BC. Understood? Okay. Suppose this one is a line. This one is a line. You split into two halves. Two halves. Okay. It forms two rays. Okay. Two rays. Suppose it's P, Q, R. It forms PQ and PR. Okay. It forms two rays. If you join two opposite rays, suppose here is a ray A, B and A, C. A, C. It forms a straight line BC. Understood? Clear? So let's talk about collinear. What is collinear points? If A is a point, B is a point and C is a point, they are in a straight line. They are in a straight line. We can say A, B, C points are collinear. Points are collinear. Okay? They are in a straight line. Okay? If they are A, B, C, they are non-collinear. Non-collinear, that means they are not in a straight line. Okay? What is concurrent lines? What is concurrent lines? Look at here. Here is the line AB. Here is the line BC. Okay, so AB, CD. AB, CD. EF. Three lines. Look at it. The three lines intersect at a point. That means AB, BC, AB, CD and EF passes through a single point, suppose Z. Okay? So that we can say AB, BC, AB, CD and EF are concurrent planes. Concurrent lines. Suppose concurrent lines. Okay? Understood? And now, if the points lie on a straight line, the point lie on a straight line, we can say collinear points. If the lines passes through a single point or one point, we can say concurrent lines. Clear? Okay. What is intersecting line? What is intersecting lines? What is intersecting lines? Suppose L1 is a line and L2 is a line. Okay. If the two lines meet at a point or many points, two lines will meet at a point, lines meet at a point, we can say they are intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. L1 and L2 are intersecting each other. Intersecting each other. Okay? The lines intersect at a particular point, that is called point of intersection. Point of intersection. Any doubt? Any doubt? Look at here. If I will discuss it later. Okay. Just keep your mind intersecting and parallel lines. Intersecting lines. What is parallel line? Parallel lines. Two lines never intersect each other and they have same gap or same space between two lines. Okay. Same space, same gap between two lines. L1 parallel to L2. We can say L1 parallel to L2. Look at here. If L1 parallel to L2 and L2, suppose L2 parallel to L3, L1 parallel to L2 and L2 parallel to L3, then we can say L1 parallel to L3. Understood? Clear? You got a point, line segment, ray, lines, and splitting of lines, concurrent points, concurrent lines, and collinear points. Understood? Then intersecting lines and parallel lines. Let's talk about angles. Let's talk about angle. What is angle? Look at here. We can say the combination or union of two non-collinear rays. Suppose here is a ray, here is another ray. Union of two non-collinear ray with same initial point or common initial point. P, O, P, Q. Okay. This form an angle. Okay. Understood? The union of two non-collinear rays with same initial point, that is called angle. Okay. So each ray is called arm of the angle. Okay. This one is the arm, this one is another arm, and O is called vertex of angle. Okay. Vertex of angle. Angle POQ may be denoted as POQ angle or POP or only O angle. Understood? So this is called interior angle. This is called interior angles, and these are exterior angles. Okay. Any point inside the angle, interior points. Any point outside the angle, that is called exterior points. Okay. So angles are classified into different types. Angles are classified into different types. First one is right angle. Keep in mind, right angle. The angle whose measure is 90 degree. Whose measure is 90 degree. That is called a right angle, like this. A, B, C. Okay. So A, B, C equal to 90 degree. That is called right angle. Okay. Acute angle. Next is acute angle, which is more than 0 and less than 90 degree. Acute angle is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. This one. A, B, C. Suppose this one is 60 degree, which is more than 0 and less than 90 degree. Angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Then obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Understood? More than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. P, Q, R. Suppose 120 degree. This is called obtuse angle. So P, Q, R equal to 120 degree. Okay. Then straight angle. What? Straight angle. What is straight angle? The angle whose measure is 180 degree. Whose measure is 180. This is the one R. Suppose O N. Right? N. This is the 180 degree. Okay. So M O N equal to 180 degree. If the angle measures 180 degree, we can say it's a straight line. Okay. Then reflex angle. Another is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? Angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. More than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Suppose O is like this one, T. S O T is a reflex angle which is goes to 70 degree. Okay, 270. Then another is complete angle. What is complete angle? Complete angle means what? Look at here. An angle whose measure is 360 degree. Measure is 360 degree. One complete round. That is called 360 degree. Okay. That is called complete angle. Okay. Understood? You know the different types of angles. Okay. Then another is complementary angle and supplementary angle. Let's talk about complementary angle. What is complementary angle? Look at here. The sum of two angles whose measure is 90 degree are called complementary angles. Understood? Sum of two angles whose measure is 90 degree. Suppose P, Q, R, this one S. Okay. Suppose this one 40 degree, this one 50 degree. Okay. This one 40 degree, this one 50 degree. The sum of two angles is 90 degree. The two angles whose measure is 90 degree are called complementary angles. So this angle are complementary angles because 50 degree plus 40 degree equal to 90 degree. So complementary angle of 40 degree equal to 90 minus 40 degree, which is 50 degree. The complementary angle of 50 degree, 40 degree. The complementary angle of 70 degree, 90 minus 70, 20 degree. Understood? Then supplementary angle. Then supplementary angle. The two angles, the sum of two angles whose measure is 180 degree. Suppose P, O, Q, R. Okay. This one 60 degree, this one 120 degree. The sum of two angles, the sum of measure of two angles equal to 180 degree. So the supplementary, same procedure, supplementary angle of 120 degree equal to 180 minus 120, 60 degree. The supplementary angle of 130 degree, 180 minus 130 degree, you will get 50 degree. The supplementary angle of 90 degree, 180 minus 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, understood? Then let's talk about adjacent angles. What is? Look at here. Here is angle, and here is another angle. P, Q, R, T. P, Q, T and R, T, Q. Okay, there are two angles. We can say they are adjacent angles. Okay, they are adjacent angles. How? If the two angles have common arm, QT is a common arm of angle RQT and PQT. Okay, common arm is QT and common vertex. Common vertex is Q. Okay. Non-common arms are either side of the common arm. QP non-common arm, QR non-common arm, but they have only common arm QT. Or understood? We can say they are adjacent. Okay, adjacent angles. Okay. Then linear pair angles. Linear means straight line 180 degree. The sum of two adjacent angles whose measure is 180 degree. A, B, C, D. Okay. B, C, D and A, C, D, two adjacent angles, and their sum is 180 degree. Okay. The sum of two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree, we can say they are linear pair angles. So, because ACD plus BCD equal to 180 degree because of linear pair angle. Then, vertically opposite angles. Suppose it's a line PQ, vertically opposite angles. Okay. Suppose AB is a line and CD is a line. Okay. And they intersect at point O. Understood? So it forms how many? 4 rays? OB, OD, OA, OC. And it forms also 4 angles. This one, 4 angles. The opposite angles are equal. This is called vertically opposite angles. Suppose this one angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. So angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. They are called vertically opposite angles. Then the main important is transversal line. Let's talk about transversal line. Transversal line. Suppose there is a line L1 and another line L2 which is parallel to each other. That means L1 parallel to L2. Got it? And another line which intersect two parallel lines at distinct points. Suppose this one L3. Okay. So what is transversal line? If there are two parallel lines L1 and L2 and another line L3 which intersect two parallel lines at two distinct points, then L3 is a transversal line. Okay, clear? So it forms how many angles? Suppose this one angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Shortly, keep in mind Z. Angle 1 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 6 equal to angle 8. Similarly, angle 2, 5, 7. 2 equal to 4 equal to angle 5 equal to angle 7. Keep in mind. Let's suppose angle 1 and angle, keep in mind. Upper part. Angle 1, angle 6, angle 2, angle 5. Corresponding angles. It is called corresponding angles. Okay. Similarly, lower angle, angle 3, angle 8, angle 4, angle 7, also corresponding angles. Understood? Here is a line, here is a line. So these are angle 2 equal to angle 4, vertically opposite angles. 2 equal to 4, 1 equal to 3, vertically opposite angles. Okay, clear? Similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 7, angle 6 equal to angle 8, vertically opposite angles. But here, these are called interior angles. But 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. So here is a transversal line. So angle 3 and angle 6, alternating interior angles. But angle 3 equal to angle 6 and angle 4 equal to angle 5. Crush. Alternate interior angles. Alternating interior angles. Okay. Understood? Here is a transversal line. So interior angles on either side of transversal line. Angle 4, angle 6, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 5, 180 degree. That is called consecutive interior angles. Okay, consecutive interior angles, either side of the transversal line, which lies inside the parallel lines. That is called the interior angles. The interior angles which lies either side of the transversal line, they are called consecutive angles, and their sum is 180 degree. Understood? Also, you can say angle 1 and angle 2. Here is a straight line, so angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 is 180 degree. It's called linear pair angles. Okay. So shortly I discussed transversal line and also all lines, all angles. Okay. Next class we will solve different problems which are related to angles, lines. Okay.